Today we are going to create this type of landscape. Take new file, general, delete the cube, press Shift A to insert plane, go to edit mode, press S 10 to increase the size. By right clicking, subdivide, take value of subdivision is 100. Go to object mode. Now go to shading, insert material, press Shift A to insert mix shader, Shift A to insert glass material, connect glass output to shader, now decrease the roughness value, press Shift A to insert noise texture, press Ctrl T to insert mapping, press Shift A to insert bump, insert bump value to normal. Now insert color value of noise to height value of bump node. Now change the mapping to UV. Now change our base color to little dark or little bluish. Now we can see water. For this water we need to insert some keyframe. For this we will take dope sheet below here. Go to dope sheet. Go to 0 key value. We will change rotation value. So place cursor on rotation and press I key. Go to the last point. Now change rotation value to around 200. Press I key. Now we can see how our water looks like. Now our water looks good. To lighting the scene, we will use HDRI lighting. For this, go to word setting, insert Shift A, insert environment texture, connect color to background, open HDRI folder. From HDRI Heaven we will take this sunrise. Now we can see what's shown in our background. It looks quite good. Now go to layout, Now we are going to insert landscape. Before inserting landscape, we need to go edit menu, preferences, search for landscape. We can see our first node is add mesh ANT landscape. Please enable it. Now shift A. In mesh we can see our added value landscape. This is our default landscape. Now change our noise value to V noise turbulence. Now our landscape is ready for shading. Press S10 to increase the value. Now we need to shading our mountain. Select mountain. Go to shading. Go to object mode. Assign new material. Now we will set render bloom. Now it looks good. Now shift A, insert color ramp. Shift A for mix shader. Shift A for color ramp or noise texture. Press Ctrl T if node wrangler is enabled. Connect factor to factor. We are going to change in roughness, so connect roughness with color. Now change generated to object in our mapping. Duplicate this color ramp by shift D. Place it here and connect with second shader. Now insert bump. Connect with normal of BSDF. Now connect output of color ramp to the height of our bump. Now change the value to see how it look like and increase the detail value to the maximum of noise. Now in principal BSDF, change color to some dark value. Adjust color ramp. Now connect noise texture to our second color ramp. Now adjust its value. Now increase the size of noise. Change the material color if you require something like brown. Make it more darker. Now change color and color to grass color. Make it little dark. Okay, now it's look like realistic mountain. We already prepared water and mountain. Now we have to set our camera. Before setting up camera, we need to check how it's look like. Press 0. Here is, we can see there is a background. So to remove background, go to our render setting and in film section check mark transparent. Now our background is removed. Press 0 to check our view. Now go to layout. Press 0. It looks good. Now go to animation. Make it near its 0 point. Press N for our view menu. Lock camera to view. How it is look like. Now we need to select our camera first. Now go to 80. Press I to insert keyframe, location, rotation, scale. Go to 0. We are moving our camera like that. Okay, insert keyframe by pressing I, location, rotation, scale. Now see what it looked like. Okay, it's look like quite good. Now go to this view. Before going to it, we will add some more keyframe. Around 140. Press I, location, rotation, scale. Now go to around 200. Change the camera position. Okay. Press I to insert keyframe, location, rotation, scale. Now we can see how it looked like. Go to layout, press 0. Go to render view. Our landscape is looking good. We can also add sun or clouds to our scene. Before this, we will go to render setting and render our animation. Make sure it is Eevee. Go to output setting, choose folder. We are going to choose desktop. Okay. Now in file type, there is a PNG. We will change it to FFmpeg. Now we almost done our render setting. Go to render, render animation. It will take some time. Now our rendering is completed. Close render view. Now go to render view animation. Our mountain animation render very good. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.